Abdurrahman Bailey Jr. Today we're gonna discuss some of our letters and sounds. Okay? No, not some, all of them. Okay? This is A. My mouth is full of them. Next one is E. The sound is E. My jaw is pushing my hand like that. E. Next one is I. E. My jaw isn't drawing down, it's pushing my hand as it is. E. So E, push on my hands. E, no push. O, like O. U, can you see? Not it's and these are the vowel sounds. Let's go to the consonants. B, B, from my throat here. B, C, K, D, D. Be careful and look at my mouth. F, G, not G, it's G, G, H. Good morning! Good morning, Mustafa.
Good morning.
Okay, can you read? Again? Raise your voice, huh? Fan. Look over there. Here's a fan. Okay. Next. No, this one. Man. Very good. Next. Can. Next. Very good. Clap for Mustafa. Sad. S. A. D. Very good. Okay. Fan. A. Very good. Excellent. Clap. I want a boy. This boy. Great. Can you sing ABC? Let's sing. Huh? Very good. Excellent. Clap your hands. Good job. Sad. Sad. Very good. M. A. Very good. Man. Next. Fat. Very good. Fat. Bye. Bag. B. Good. Bag. Very good. Pad. P. No. Excellent. D. Pad. Very good. Rag. R. Good. Excellent. Clap. Repeat after me. A. A. Am. 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 Ram. Ram. Okay, very good. A. And fan. Look over there. We have a fan. Okay, very good. And man. Man. I'm a man. Man. Very good. Clap.